What's up guys? Today I received my exhaust system, so let's go ahead and install it. Okay guys, this is the box. So I already opened it here. So this is the one. So this is only two pieces, and it has this. This is the one on eBay. This is $85 because it has the neo chrome tip. So, but the one that doesn't have the tip in neo chrome is 80 bucks. So let's test this. I hope I don't have to do any modifications to this, and it comes with everything. So let's see the quality and the sound of this thing. I hope it's good. Okay, let's do it. Also, one more thing, when you're doing the installation, make sure that the muffler is cold, because if it's warm or hot, you can burn yourself, okay? Be careful with that. Make sure that the muffler, before you do the installation, is cold, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna remove the rubber things, but it looks like it's a little bit hard. Okay guys, that's the exhaust system. One thing, when you are doing this bracket, make sure that the exhaust is aligned with the notch, with this notch. So when you put it like that, it's gonna be like that, straight with the notch. It's a little bit hard to align it, but I think I got it. So, but before you tight everything down, make sure that the muffler is straight right on the notch, okay? And also on the bottom, I mean all the way to the end, over there is missing 2 bolts, because the original, this one they are welded, so I had to get 2 new bolts for this to hold the last end of the muffler. Okay, so I need to get those, and after I get those, I will test the sound. Okay, let's do it. Okay, as you can see it here, muffler. The sound I think is real nice. For the price is amazing. The sound is super cool. Also, one thing, I didn't put it all the way over here because it's almost touching here, so I don't want this to melt, so it's a little bit off, but I think it's perfect for me right there. So you can see it. So now let's go for a test drive. Okay. Now let's go for a test drive and see how is the sound. I like the sound. Right now it's not that loud, so I like it. When it's in the 1000 RPM, it's not that loud. So let's see. Yeah, I like it. This one is with the windows closed. So let's try first with the windows closed and then with the windows open. Okay. Yeah, see, I like it. It's not that loud, but it still has this, like the racing sound. Yeah, it's not that loud. So let's turn on this so I can go faster. Let's wait for these cars to move. Hurry up! Okay, let's do it. Yeah, it's okay. It's not that loud. It's like it. Okay, now let's try it with the windows open. When this one, where you're gonna hear more wind. Okay guys, that's the muffler, the exhaust system. It looks real nice, the way it's all shiny and smooth. It looks real good. I paid $85 for this muffler. I bought it on eBay. I'm gonna put the link in the description, so you can, if you want it, you can get it. There's no modification needed. You only need, the only thing that it doesn't comes with is the lug nuts. They are metric lug nuts, not the standard. I'm gonna put the link on the description too for the lug nuts that you need, and I'm gonna put the image here of the lug nuts that I got, because the old muffler, it has the lug nuts welded to the muffler, so you cannot use those anymore, so you have to get new ones. Okay, so I like the sound and the quality. I think is good. For the price, I think is super cool, because it's $85, and I think for $85 it's awesome. This one is for the Corolla. It will fit the 2014 2018 Corolla, this muffler. They have it without the neochrome tip, that one is $80, and with the neochrome tip is $85, okay? Let me know what you guys think of the muffler. So if you like the video, please like the video. If you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.